Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox random freezing and crash problem. Let's fix it guys. A simple solution fixed for more people on Reddit. You just need to disable all your cameras via your PC settings. To do this, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side select cameras. In here under connected cameras, if you have multiple camera connected in your PC, then you just need to select it one by one and select the disable option and select yes. After disabling the camera, if you want to enable back again, if you want to use it, then under disabled cameras select the enable option and the cameras will be enabled guys. And this worked for more people on Reddit. If this method doesn't fix your problem, let's move on to the method one guys. Method one is to update the graphics driver. I show you guys for the Intel users, and the same thing you guys need to follow the same steps for AMD users and Nvidia users. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, and you just need to expand the display adapter section. Under here you can able to see your graphics card model name. Just note down your model name. After noting down, you just need to check my video description for these three links. Just need to select the link depends on your graphics card brand. I'm gonna show you guys first Intel. Do the same for AMD and Nvidia. You just need to search the graphics card model name Intel UHD graphics 770, Intel UHD 770 driver. As you can see, graphics driver, select it, and now select the first link, and you just need to scroll down. Under here you can able to see which versions are support. As you can see, in my case I have Intel i9 14th gen processor, so this supports for me. You can just need to check whether your Intel generation supports this. After finding that, just scroll up and select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to install this driver guys. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to lower graphics settings in Roblox. To do this, you just need to open up Roblox. After you are in the game, you just need to press an escape key and go to settings. Under here, you can able to see graphics mode. Set this graphics mode to manual, and in graphics quality, you just need to reduce it to 3 point. Right over here, 1, 2, 3. If your graphics card model is too low, then just need to have this at least 1 and resume it and check if the problem solved or not. If not, just to close stuff here. Method 3 is to clear the Roblox cache. To do this, you just need to press in Windows key and R key together in your keyboard, and now check my video description for this run command. Just to copy and paste over here and click on OK. And now in this folder, you just need to delete everything inside it guys. Just click on any folder and press in Ctrl plus A to select all. Right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, just close stuff here and restart Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If these three methods doesn't fix your problem, then uninstall and reinstall the Roblox can fix your problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.